Okay, right, so Phantom Menace, okay? The Trade Federation is blocking all trade routes to Naboo. So they send Obi-Wan and Qui-Gon to sort this shit out. They realise that there's a droid army prepping for invasion. And so anyway, right, that's how like Luke and Leia get all like incesty and it's all gross and everything, and then episode 6 ends. So now we're about to go see episode 7.
Hi Fran!
Hello!
How's it going?
Great, they're watching.
Are they watching? Are they watching? I think the teachers are geekier than us.
There's no way into it. Right then.
How packed do you reckon the coach is going to be?
Okay.
Thank you.
Good dog.
Okay, now you can find it.
Like by the end of it, like when I was... Hi Emily on camera.
You talk about my camera like it's
on the bus.
thing. Wait, it is its own thing. Like
It is the thing, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Hello audience, we're going to Star Wars.
You whistled through your teeth then, that was horrible.
Is that me? Hi. Alan!
I didn't know it could back.
You poked me in the eye with the camera!
So sorry.
You do realise that thing's got a zoom function, right?
Oh no, I was worried, Alex. On the bright side, we're here.
Really?
Yes. Let's go watch Star Wars.
Because I'm blind.
You can't because we're blind.
Damn it,
What?
Dead pixels.
Them pixels.
Dead pixels.
Oh, dead pixels.
Yeah,
Oh, that dead pixels.
I know.
Oh, them dead pixels.
Oh my god. No, that's it now. This is Emily. Emily, say hi. Hello. I'm just going to zoom into him nose real quick.
We're going to see Star Wars.
Is that you, Dad? Father!
I'm shocked that he's seen you.
Come on then.
We're
off to see the wizard.
I'm getting footage. Oh, you're such a dick. He's just such a sexy man. Look at that sexiness. Alex, go and get all cozy with Deadpool. Oh no, Alex. Hi, Alex.
Fuck off.
Hi. Because I didn't.
Yeah, bear me a second.
Because I don't.
Okay.
You were cool.
I hate you, Alex.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
It looks like Dick and Balls.
So apparently that was completely unintentional.
I did not even notice that. That is amazing.
Unintentional. You have a compensate for something.
So we just came out of Star Wars.
We did just come out of Star Wars.
Your thoughts?
Absolutely amazing.
Fahan?
Anyway.
What do you think?
Yeah, it was really good. Really good. Really good. Loved it.
How good?
Bleeping
I
amazing.
felt like it was on a roller coaster simulator.
Yeah. I got that impression. It's like a roller coaster movie.
It's a roller coaster movie. Yeah. Definitely want to go and see it with 4DX. Definitely want to go see it with 4DX. Oh, it's so good. Okay, stop.
Joe, thoughts on the movie?
Fucking amazing.
Paul, thoughts on the movie?
There's nothing quite like watching the same film over and over
Are you bored?
Oh, no.
stuff.
Opinions.
Liked it, yeah, really liked it. Hang on, I need to think of something good to say about it. What can I say, Tony?
I think it was great how it connected the old characters into the new.
Yeah.
It's bridging the new and the old together, passing
There were a lot of themes that were passed.
the lightsaber on, yeah.
Yeah.
And it was
And Harrison Ford did well. A lot of running, actually. I thought a lot of running.
All the blow.
I don't know, yeah.
come back in the next one though. I think the force is strong in him.
Kieran, opinions.
Amazing. Love it. So good. So damn good.
And we're back on the smelly, really squishy coach. Let me with your straw.
I'm sucking.
Everybody is the person that we shouldn't have. Can you check the seat next to you and see if it's somebody that you recognise?
I reckon that, oh, that is just a nose. That is just a nose.